reducing the feed cost, and at the same time, keeping the quality of the native chickens. To the question of how different is the Darag with the traditional native chickens here in Negros Oriental, well, I would say the difference is significant, is big, because it's a product of an organized breeding and selection, has uniformity in physical characteristics. Meaning, yung isang darag na makikita mo ay kapareho ng itsura doon sa mga ibang darag. Unlike the traditional native chickens that we have, na sari-sari yung itsura, sari-sari yung kulay, sari-sari yung laki. Another difference is the predictability of production performance. With the darag, we can confidently say that the average egg production potential of the darag is now 120 eggs per hen per year. For the mongrel type native chickens, we do not know, because some of them will only give us 50 eggs in 1 year, some would give 80, and some would even give us less than 50 eggs in a year. Growth performance is the same. Yung ibang mga chickens ay titimbang na ng 1 kilo at 5 months old. Some would not. Talking about quality, the mongrel type native chickens, yung iba ay daghan ng iyang unod kung atong ihawon. Yung uban pod, gamay ra kayo ng unod. Muingon nga puro bukog ng makuha. And that shouldn't be a problem with the darag, because we already have selected for a consistent product quality.